Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get a Porsche 911 in FR Legends. To begin, you'll need to select a highly customizable base car from the in-game dealership. The Sility, for example, provides many options for body kits and visual modifications. While a direct Porsche 911 isn't available, we can build a very close replica. Once you've identified your preferred base car, you'll need to earn enough in-game currency to purchase it. Participate in drift events, races, and challenges to accumulate funds. After buying your car from the dealership, remember to save some extra cash for the essential body kits and initial performance upgrades. Now for the exciting part, transforming your car into a 911 lookalike. Head to the garage and explore the body kit options. Focus on wide body kits, fender flares, and rear bumpers that mimic the iconic Porsche design. Don't forget to experiment with different spoilers and taillight configurations to achieve that distinctive appearance. With the visual transformation complete, it's time to fine-tune your car's performance. Upgrade engine components for increased horsepower and adjust the suspension for optimal drifting dynamics. Experiment with tire pressure and steering angle to find your perfect setup. Now, take your custom 911-inspired machine to the track and enjoy the thrill of drifting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.